This one truly is dedicated to my husband, my son, who's been with dogs, strays. Okay, the homeless animals in the garden. I've left him from the time he was 13 days old, and he plays with dogs, and he just when people say ना आप अपने बच्चे को बेच के देखो जो रात को कुत्ते काटते हैं, मैं मेरे बेटे को भेजने को तैयार हूँ. आप बताइए कहाँ भेजें? Why not? If I get something nice, নিশ্চয়ই. কিন্তু right now Anupama is my be all and all. কেন আমার বাচ্চারা এখানে আছে. So if something good comes up, why not? Because Bolidan and my first song Uri Uri Baba was Usha Ma.
Storytelling, journalism, or media advocacy that amplifies animal rights, and few organizations without whose active support such a beautiful evening wouldn't have seen the light of the day. This initiative by Film Federation of India and People for the Animals, presented by Mario, print partner is T2, radio partner 91.9, Friends FM, the design partner, Inner Circle, gift partner, Do As You Like, showrunner, Real. Tonight, we are privileged to welcome an iconic Calcutta. I have always said, when I speak about her, I've always felt
জিজ্ঞাসা করছি কেমন আছেন আগে বলুন।
আমি ভালো. To all the Kolkata people, hello, নমস্কার.
আজকে যেটা বললেন প্রচুর হয়তো অ্যাওয়ার্ড পেয়েছেন, প্রচুর অনুষ্ঠানে যাওয়া হয়, কিন্তু এটা বোধহয় মনের খুব কাছের, মানে আপনি যেমন বলছিলেন স্টেজে খানিকটা
এটা অ্যাওয়ার্ড নয়, দিস ইজ আ ব্লেসিং. মানে দিস ইজ অ্যান এন্ডোর্সমেন্ট কে আমি আই এম অন দ্য রাইট পাথ. অ্যান্ড Menka ji has been a hero to many animal lovers, animal activists, everybody. She's one person who has a back. We always think that Menka ji है कि कहीं ना कहीं से अगर परमिशन नहीं मिले, अगर कोई FIR ना ले पुलिस स्टेशन में, अगर कोई कुछ करे ये करो, तो हमेशा मेनका जी है, गौरी जी है. तो आप फ़ोन करो और it's not as if that they will not respond. They always respond. They've always been there. Even before I was Anupama, even before I was Rupali Ganguly, the actor, I have spoken to Menka ji. And to get this from her today, this recognition from her today is a huge validation. Not only overwhelms, but humbles me completely. That, every time I say that when I get an award for Anupama, it's like it's dedicated to my unit. This one truly is dedicated to my husband, my son, who's been with dogs, strays. Okay, the homeless animals in the garden. I've left him from the time he was 13 days old, and he plays with dogs, and he just when people say ना आप अपने बच्चे को बेच के देखो जो रात को कुत्ते काटते हैं, मैं मेरे बेटे को भेजने को तैयार हूँ. आप बताइए कहाँ भेजें? So, and I'm sure he will go there and the dogs will just sit down and do nothing. Rudransh has his mother's love for animals, and be it snakes, be it elephants, any kind of animal, I think they like me. They think I'm their pet and they come to pet me. So, and I'm blessed with the producer, Rajan Shahi ji. The one who's made Anupama, because he uses Anupama as a mouthpiece to promote kindness towards all living creatures. His daughter Rishika is a very, very big rescuer. I mean, her life is all about rescue and rehabilitate and feed. So from This award is not just mine alone. It belongs to our entire animal feeder community, all the kutte wali mas, and all the people who work for compassion for the fur babies.
কি বলতে চাইবেন যেখানে একটা জায়গায় দাঁড়িয়ে পিপল আর রানিং টু রিমুভ দ্য ভয়েস লিস্ট যেখানে উল্টোটা হওয়া উচিত সেই জায়গাতে দাঁড়িয়ে কি
I don't understand when, on one hand, we say that our land is the land of kindness, of compassion. It is ahimsa parmo dharma, is what we've been taught. Jeev Daya is a way of life. It is not a hobby that we pick up. This is our way of life. This is our culture. This is our mool, our core of being an Indian, being a Hindu, being even any religion, be it Muslims, be it Christianity, सब जगह पे यही सिखाया जाता है kindness, 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 kindness. Kindness is the common religion. I don't know why people fight over differences. So if we actually start saying कि we come from the land of kindness.
প্রচুর পুরনো মানুষের সঙ্গে দেখা হলো। আমরা যতদূর জানি বাংলা ছবি দিয়ে আপনার ডেবিউ করা,
বলিদান।
আবার টলিউডে আবার কি কাজ করার কোনো প্ল্যানিং আছে?
Why not? If I get something nice, নিশ্চয়ই। কিন্তু right now Anupama is my be all and all, কেন আমার বাচ্চারা এখানে আছে। So if something good comes up, why not? Because Bolidan and my first song Uri Uri Baba was Usha Ma, and also Sarabhai ka title track was sung by her. So to meet her here was again such a good feeling. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.